Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I am Sanchita Sena on your screen, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel before heading out of my channel after watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel because you guys mean the world to me. And for all those who have already subscribed, loads and loads of love, and congratulations to the winners of the giveaway contest. The gifts have already been couriered. You will receive it very real soon. So from the title itself, you guys have made it out that this is a very glam soft look but with bold eyes. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Just tying up my hair with a hairband so that it doesn't mess, moisturizing my skin well with my Himalaya Day Care moisturizing cream so that the skin looks ultimately primed and supremely hydrated. Once I'm done with that, I will be taking my Maybelline Fit Me primer. This is a very beautiful primer if you're looking for some hydrating primer. Just applying it across my face, and then my face is doing my primer. I realized I'm going to do my eyes first, so I'll be just doing my eyes. So I'm taking this concealer palette from inside and just setting my eyelid for a beautiful bold eyes. I have already done my eyebrows using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow palette, taking this Wet n Wild contour palette, the banana shade, and just packing all the concealer so that there is no crease whatsoever. Taking this brown shade and creating the definition using a crease, then this lighter color, and then slowly depositing it one by one and creating the transition across. Do not deposit the colors at once, otherwise it will be difficult to work with, and just slowly building it up. Rather, I'll say just slowly creating the transition. Once it is done, once I'm done with that, I'm taking this little metallic shade from that very palette and now just building it across to give a little sheen. And then I'm taking this bluish, ash bluish color from the palette. With a flat brush, I'm placing it across the upper lid very roughly, and then I'll blend it around. So just be careful doing that. It has a little bit of fallout, so that's why you need to do your eyes first. Once I'm done placing the color, I'll take the brush which I had brown color, and without taking any other further pigment, I'll just blend the edges so that it looks very seamless. And slowly I'll again build some colors so that you just get the right intensity you want for the smoky eyes. Now I will be taking a glittery shade, black glittery shade from the palette. Place it with the help of a pencil brush on the base created with the black shade earlier. Very gently and doing it very diligently. Again using that same brush with that brown color, taking all the brown colors at once and then blending the edges to have a very seamless effect. You can definitely build it on from here if you want much, and I did both my eyes off camera to save some time. Now taking my Nykaa BB cream, I'll be taking it on the palette and just blending it across my face using my Maybelline Superstay foundation brush. This brush is very awesome for blending any of your foundation. If you don't want to use a beauty blender, this brush is it. Again taking the concealer from Inside Pro palette and just placing it across my lower lash line, the under eye, because when you're doing a dark bold eyes, you must highlight your under eyes very well, otherwise you may look real panda like I'm looking right now. Now blending it all together very seamlessly, because a good makeup requires a very good blend. Taking my Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, doing a little bit of more highlighting under the eyes so that it looks brightened up. Taking the highlighting powder shade from the Wet n Wild contour palette and placing it wherever I had placed some concealer. Taking the contour shade from that very palette and contouring my face because I wanted a little bit of chisel look when wearing a bold look. It's really nice if you have a very chisel sharp look. Taking my Real Technique fluffy brush and blending everything in together, and also doing a bit of nose contouring with my fingers. This gives just instantly, just see how it changes the entire look. Taking a pencil brush and putting the black shade under the lower lash line, and also taking a darker brown shade to blend it all in. Taking the Maybelline contour palette, the blush, and placing it on the cheeks and giving that extra little flush of colors. Taking the Swiss Beauty baked highlighter and placing it across my face, and now taking Nykaa mascara and giving that extra lusciousness to my lashes. This mascara is really very beautiful. You must try if you haven't already. Taking the Faces Canada lipstick and applying it across my lips to give that pinkiness, and now using that highlighter in the inner corner of the eyes, also in the below the eyebrows, to give that opened up effect. Now taking my Maybelline makeup setting spray, spritzing around my face and then letting it settle for some time, and this is how it looks. So easy, so achievable, and definitely with all the products you have at home. So this is how I achieved this look. This is very classy glam look. You can achieve very easily even if you are a beginner. And if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell button down below. What is this? Hit that bell button down below, because the next time I upload a new video, you will be updated. And please do stay at home. Do not step out of the house unnecessarily. And if you have to, please do take all the precautionary necessary actions you need to do. Carry your sanitizer, wear your mask, and then go out. Until next time, loads and loads of love. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye.